Going to show you how to make a box bracelet, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to choose our supplies to make it, and I'm going to talk about the crystals you'll need for that. I've chosen 4mm square beads and 4mm bicone beads, both crystal beads, and this particular bracelet is all one color. It's the green olivine. The next one that we're going to be making is the square ones have an AB coating, so this is Montana sapphire, but it has a little bit of a color to it, so there's an extra coating to give it some more sparkle. And then the bicones are just plain Montana sapphire. So those are the two crystals that you'll need to create this box bracelet. Squares and bicones, and it will stagger one and the other as you go along, as we string.